friends. Welcome to another episode of Auto Afflicted. I'm your host, Ali Goulet, and just cruising right now. Snowy morning in Salt Lake City. I'm in Pepper Porsche, my Cayenne Turbo. She'll be making her debut on the channel before too long. But today, I want to show you a little bit of the B-side. I was out in California at 2 Bennett Audimotive, leading their drive in the Napa wine country for their holiday party, and might have killed their Audi 4000. Not too sure. Let's check it out. Rolling out of the Napa wine country now.
Turn right onto Cask Way, then turn left onto Trower Avenue.
I got my maps working for me.
Left onto Trower Avenue.
Obviously, I don't really know my way around the zone, so I gotta use the maps.
In half a mile, turn right onto Jefferson Street.
Got a good crew today. I think looks like it's about 20 cars. We're gonna head through a bit of the wine country, work our way back to 2 Bennett Audimotive in Davis.
Turn right onto Jefferson Street.
I'm gonna turn right on Jefferson Street here.
Keep left to continue on Monticello Road.
Keep left. No, we're gonna keep it left this way.
Continue for 23 miles.
Alright, now we're finally out of the country. We're on to our next move. So the 84 Audi 4000 CS Quattro, pretty cool little car. It's got a 5-cylinder inline engine. It's not full of horsepower. It's all of about 115 horsepower, but has some really cool features like locking front and rear diffs. Super cool. The heating elements on the rear window actually have Quattro detailed in them, written out, and so when you activate your rear defrost, it just burns Quattro right through the ice. It's a pretty cool touch, especially something from so far back as 1984. I'd love to see that reissued on some cars. That would be amazing. So this Audi 4000, while it does lack power, it does have a few little tweaks that 2 Bennett put on it that really make it a totally different beast than what you would expect. And those features are like the 2 Bennett coilover program. So it's got 2 Bennett adjustable coilovers for ride height, good stiff suspension, and it has one of their older generations of big brake kit. So just huge Brembos pinching down on big discs. And so basically you've got more brakes than you could ever want on this car. You'll never need the amount of brakes that you got at your access with this thing. And so what does that mean to me? Well, with the low profile tires, the big brakes, the suspension, it just means that we can just go pretty hard in the corners and hook right up. This whole chassis is really something. The original Quattro systems, and these roads are beautiful. joy is still there. You don't need power to have a good time in the corners, but it helps. That sounds
definitely not happy.
That sounds shitty.
Yeah.
So there you go, friends. You know, sometimes things don't go your way. In this case, you know, I was in such a panic with what was going on with the car that I didn't even think to switch modes into documenting the whole thing. But hope you enjoyed a little bit of the drive of the Audi 4000. Super cool car, as ever. You know, if you want to drop a like or a subscribe on my channel, super appreciate it. And beyond that, friends, you know, love the ones you're with. Be kind to your neighbors. Don't road rage if you can avoid it. And we'll catch you on the next one.